guys, Keith Rainville here, the lead guy, my friends. We're going to show you today one of the cold emails senders that I use all the time, and it's absolutely fantastic. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a list to send to, and we're going to add some context here. This is actually promoting a CBD product to gyms. It's actually a new thing. Gyms are starting to take on CBD to get that monthly residual as well. For people who use CBD on a monthly basis, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the contacts here, and it's very simple. I just go to contacts like you see in there, okay? If you didn't see that, because I'm fast, like I'm ninja, baby. So I just hit contacts. Then I'm going to, I get the list name there already, and it has to be in a CSV format, so that's very important. So I'm going to choose a file from my desktop, and I know I'm going to use my gym list here from Montana, and I know that I have my gym list column set up backwards. So I'm going to actually fix that right now. And then I'm going to upload the contacts, and it is that simple. Okay. We've already updated and loaded all the contacts. So we're going to go back to campaigns here. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to leave the link on the bottom of the video here. So check it out. On this particular list, there's 599 contacts. Now, this program is fantastic because when you do your email template, it actually has a spam checker. So I'm not going to bore you with sitting here and doing 10 minutes of ad copy for this particular template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just input a template that I have, and I'm going to actually just go through and show you the process and how you check for spam, okay? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to open our template here. And as you see, I've copied and pasted a template that I've been using. And the subject line I've been using is, let me see. Subject line is see what you're missing. Gyms are are selling this. And with some dots, okay, just to get them the curiosity to open the email, okay? So this is my ad copy, the sender name, and this is the ad copy. Hello, my name is Christian Lara. He's a friend of mine he has his own company here, Canabica, and he's looking for wholesale distribution. So if you actually see this video and you're looking to sell wholesale, this is his number and this is his contact site. But what I want to show you guys is this email copy and how cool this spam checker is, because so many people will set up an email and they'll use like words like free or amazing or different buzzwords that these Gmail accounts and Yahoo and that they pick up that they identify as spam. Okay, so this spam checker will get you through that gatekeeper. So what we do here is after we put in our ad copy in our subject line, we hit the check spam, and you'll see that the email template score has passed. Now this is actually it's very tough to pass this spam checker, but that equates in great delivery and open rates, guys. So this service, this software is fantastic to use, and this is why I send thousands of emails with this. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna hit Save Template. And all we simply do is after we have our contacts in, and after we have our spam email template in, all we do is switch on the campaign and let it start running. Now this is, again, just like other campaigns, just like you would do in GMass or G Suite, you send these emails 30 seconds, a minute apart, and this is all set by the system to give you great delivery rates. Okay, guys. So, guys, check this out. The link is below the video, and this is a great way to send cold email. Okay, guys. Hey, listen, subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this in one of my group sites, just check this software out, guys. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.